Guys, welcome to exam pad. In today's class, I'm going to solve this equation and find the value of x. Okay, now move to the solution. So we are going to find solution for this question. Okay, so if we see here, this is x plus 1 and x plus 2 and x plus 3 and x plus 4. So if you see here, if I add 1 plus 4, I'll get 5. Similarly, if I add 2 plus 3, I'll get 5. So the both them have 5. So in order to make my calculation simple, so I'm going to multiple these two and then multiple these two. Okay. So let's write accordingly. So I'm going to rewrite this equation as like this. Okay. X plus 1 into x plus 4. Similarly, x plus 2 into x plus 3, which is equal to 24. So now I am going to multiple these two. So for that I am going to take these two things. X plus 1 into x plus 4, which is equal to x into x square, x into 4x plus 4x. Similarly, 1 into x plus x and 1 into 4 plus 1 into 4, 4. So which is equal to x square plus 4x plus x. That is, let's imagine there is 1 is here. So 4 plus 1, 5. So 5x plus 4. So let's keep this equation as it. So now I'm going to take these two terms. X plus 2 into x plus 3. Is it? This is for the two term. So which is equal to. So I'm going to multiple. Similarly, as we did before, so x into x square, so plus x into 3 plus 3x plus 2 into x plus 2x and 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is 6. So let's write 3 plus 2, 5. Therefore, 5x plus 6. So now I'm going to apply these two equation in the place of these two. Therefore, this equation becomes, so x plus 1 into x plus 4, which gives this equation. So I'm going to write that x square plus 5x plus 4 into, similarly, x plus 2 into x plus 4 gives this equation. So I'm going to write that. So both are in multiples. So I'm going to write these two equations are in multiples. Okay. Which is equal to what? 24. So now I'm going to take a variable that is y. So in order to make the calculation simple. Okay. So for that I'm going to assume a variable y and I'll give value for the y is x square plus 5x. That is, x square plus 5x is common in these two equations. Therefore, I'm going to assume y, which is equal to x square plus 5x. This is, I'm going to assume by myself, this doesn't contain any formula. So in order to make this equation and calculation simple, I did this step. Okay, just apply this in this equation. Apply y in this equation. Therefore, this equation becomes x square plus 5 is equal to y. Therefore, y plus 4. Similarly, y plus 6, which is equal to 24. Is it? So now I'm going to multiple that inside. Therefore, y into y square and then y into 6 plus 6y. Similarly, 4 into y plus 4y. Then 4 into 6. 6 4s are 24, which is equal to 24. I'm going to move this 24 towards left side. Therefore, its sign gets changed. So I'm going to write the remaining term as it is and I'm going to switch this 24 here. Therefore, this 24 and this 24 get cancelled because 24 minus 24 is 0. 0, right? So the both get cancelled. Therefore, y square plus 6 plus 4, 10, 10y, which is equal to 0. In order to, so if we see here, y is common between these two. Therefore, I am going to take y out. Therefore, y into y, that is y square. So if I take one y out, the remaining is y is there. Plus, here remaining 10 is there. 10, which is equal to 0. So just equate these two things with 0. Therefore, y is equal to, this y equal to 0 and y plus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore, by this equation, I will get y value as minus 10. Just I am going to apply this y value and this to y value in this equation. Thereby, we can able to find the x value. So, let me know. Therefore, y is equal to x square plus 5x. So, this is what we assume initially. So, now I am going to substitute these two y value. If y is equal to 0, then x square plus 5x is equal to 0. Similar, if you see here, x is common between these two. So, I am going to take x out. Then remaining is x here. Here remaining is 5 here. So, which is equal to 0. Therefore, so I am going to equate that separately. Therefore, x is equal to 0 and x plus 5 is equal to 0. So, from this I will get x is equal to minus 5. So, now I found the two value for x is equal to 0 and x equal to minus 5. Now, if, so there is no space, so I am going to write this here. So, let's write like this. If y is equal to minus 10, then I am going to substitute this y is equal to minus 10 in this equation. Therefore, x square plus 5x, which is equal to what? Minus 10. Therefore, x square plus 5x, so it's equal to minus 10. So, if I move that to 10, which is equal to 0. So, let's check. So, this is in the factorized form. Let's check it gets factorized or not. So, I am going to take that equation. So, I am going to write this equation. X square plus 5x plus 10 is equal to 0. This is what the actual equation will get. So, it doesn't get factorized. This equation is not get factorized. Therefore, we move to the formula as d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So, based on this equation, so this is in the format of quadratic equation, right? That is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is in this format. Let's compare and write the value. A is equal to 1. Similarly, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to 10. Let's check with that. Okay. D is equal to b square is 5 square minus 4 into 1 into 10. So, therefore, D is equal to 25 minus 4 into 10, 40. So, therefore, D is equal to minus 15. There is a condition is there. If D is less than 0, the equation x square plus 5x plus 10 does not gives real solution. Therefore, this x square plus 5x 10 has no real solution. Okay. Therefore, this will not give any solution. Therefore, we already found the two value for x is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 5. So this is what the actual answer for this question. Therefore, the final answer for x is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 5. So this equation doesn't provide any real solution. So this equation get cancelled. Okay. Please remember this question in mind and tips and tricks which involved in this question. Please practice twice or thrice, then you will get the perfect solution during your examinations. And have a nice day. Bye bye.